Non-Duality, Advaita Vedanta. Non-duality teaches that there is no separation between the self, Atman, and the universe, Brahman. Everything is interconnected, and ultimately, everything is one. At the deepest level, there is no distinction between you and the world. The feeling of being separate from the world or other people is an illusion, caused by the mind's need to categorize and divide reality. When you experience life fully in the present moment, you start to dissolve the boundaries between yourself and the world around you. Meditation can help by bringing awareness to the present, reducing the ego's need for separation. When you recognize the interconnectedness of all beings, it becomes easier to practice compassion, understanding, and empathy in relationships. Treat others as if they are a part of you. Daily living tip. Start seeing everything and everyone as interconnected. When you look at nature, people, or even objects, remind yourself that they are not separate from you. This can help reduce feelings of isolation and promote more peaceful, harmonious interactions.